north side of the street right now.
Sarge, get those units on Vista to get out.
Bud. What's up? You fine, man. I'll try to look down the system. So that way you ain't got to dig around and everything. Maybe I'm comfortable. Where y'all headed to? Where's home for you? San Juan Avenue? Oh, okay. Hey guys, look, it's just traffic stop, man. We have violent crimes task force. We out here trying to get these people that shoot people and all this stuff. So we ain't worried about traffic infractions. But I got a medical marijuana car. You have medical marijuana car? Yes, sir. Okay, any hemp in the car? Y'all was smoking a little bit ago or something? Eyes a little glassy. I can smell it coming from the interior inside the car. Y'all was around somebody that was smoking or something? I didn't say there was weed in here, man. I said somebody was around somebody that was smoking or somebody was smoking earlier. I'm talking about fire. It is what it is, man. And so, alright. Is there anything in the car we need to worry about? You got a problem? Check it out real quick, man. Get you on your way. Get you to the house. Huh? I'm asking you.
Sure.
So you can call back with us, man. We can check and make sure you ain't getting nothing crazy, and we'll get you out of here. All right, I'll tell you what. Because I smell the odor of marijuana coming from the interior of the vehicle, you have the right to refuse if we ask consent. But because we smell probable cause, we're going to ask you to step out of the car and we're going to conduct a probable cause search on the car because I smell the odor of marijuana emitting from the interior of the vehicle. Okay?
Hey, park.
Go ahead and put the car in park for me. Turn it on. Sir, put the car in park. For my safety, so make sure I don't run over my head or my foot or anything. Go ahead and turn it off for me. Turn the car off. Right there. Go ahead and ask me to step out. The rest of you guys can hang on just a second. Those officers get you out in just a moment, all right? Go ahead and face away from me, sir. No, don't reach in there. I gotta get this. Turn around. Is there any weapons on you or inside the car that I need to know about? Step back from me now. Why are y'all slow and lethargic and nervous? Put your hands on your head like you're nervous.
Y'all doing too much.
Where you going? Stretch legs for me. Wider. Wider. We can play this game all night, man. No, I'm not gonna let go of your hands.
Hey, bro. Relax, man.
How about this? Put your hands together like you're praying.
Chill out, bro. Why you gotta hold me like this? It doesn't matter, man. What we're doing is we're doing it for our safety and for yours. You understand that? When you start pulling your hands away and doing all this stupid man, look at how you handling me, though. I understand what you're saying, but you don't understand what we're doing, okay? So you just need to abide by our lawful commands. That's the way it works, man. So just chill.
I don't know if you got a gun that you're gonna try to reach for or something like that. I'm just asking you to obey my commands, and that's it. If you don't do that, it makes me nervous, okay? Now spread your legs for me. Nice and wide. Now walk back here. Get on that football.
Kilo 168, Kilo 167, Channel 88, Stars 2981, Long Road, Kilo 1. Kilo 168, looking at 10-4-61.
Hey, don't reach under there. Hey, stop. Stop reaching. Pull your hands.
I'm grabbing my phone.
Hey, let me see your hands. Brandon, watch out.
I'm grabbing my phone, please.
You better sit up right now. You're
Hey,
shot.
Please.
Hey, Brandon, watch out, bro. Let me see your hands.
Let me see your hands.
HQ, give me 1033. Hey,
If you don't put your
let me
hands
see
up
your
right
hands.
I swear to God, I love you.
Put your hands on the ceiling. On the ceiling, all the way up.
Hey,
I love y'all. I love y'all.
Put your hands up right now.
Shot.
hey,
Put your hands up.
Bro, I love you.
hey, just let me see your hands.
Bro. Hey, Sean, I love you, bro. Hey, tell my mama I love her, too. Hey, tell my mama I love her,
You better put your hands up right now.
Hey,
Put your
tell my
hands
mama
up.
I love her.
Put your hands up. I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, relax.
I swear to God, I love her to the
Bro, relax.
everybody I love him, bro. I swear to God.
Listen, man.
Hey, I love you.
Relax, man.
You hear me?
Hey, relax.
Listen, I love
Pull your hand from under the seat, bro.
me. I love you.
Put your hands up now.
Okay?
Hey, pull your hands from.
Put your hand up. Slowly. Reach towards the ceiling. Slowly reach towards the ceiling.
Relax. Hey, it's all right, bro. You'll be fine. Bro, you'll be fine.
No!
Bro, you'll be fine, man.
Up.
Tay, believe me, I love
Can
you,
you see his
okay?
hand?
Nope, he's still under the seat.
Tell listen, tell my I love her.
Don't move.
Hey, let me see your hands.
Bro, you, bro. Keep your
Let me see your hands.
Tell everybody I love you. Tell everybody I love you. Tay, I love you so much.
Hey, relax, man. Hey, relax. Relax. It's okay, bro. Relax. You'll be fine.
If you don't put your hand up.
Let me see your hands. Lift up your hands with nothing in. Bro, you will be fine.
You'll be fine.
Don't move.
Hey, man, you'll be fine.
You better talk to your boy.
I promise you.
You better talk to him.
Listen to me.
Hey,
Shut up, bro. No, bro. Listen to me.
Put your hand up now.
Listen.
Don't come up.
Bro, listen to me. Can I talk?
Want to hurt you?
Can I talk? Listen, can I talk? Can I talk?
No, you can put your hands up right now. Put your hand up where we can see it.
We can talk.
Shoot me then.
we don't want to shoot.
Shoot me then.
We don't do.
Shoot me.
We do not want to shoot you.
Shoot me.
I don't want to shoot you, bro.
Shoot me.
I just want to see your hands with nothing in it.
No, I'm not putting my hands up.
Shut your mouth.
What?
Put your hand up
Bro,
where we can see it.
Hey,
Until
why
we
you
can verify our
why you
safety.
tripping, man? Why you tripping?
Because bro, listen. Just listen. Listen,
Hey.
I swear to God, listen.
Let's take this down a notch, bro. I just want to see your hands with nothing in it.
No.
Take it down a notch. You got, is that your
It's only a traffic
Back
stop.
up.
It's only a traffic
Hey,
stop.
we're not going anywhere, bro. I promise you that. All right. I just want to see your hands with nothing in it.
Listen, no,
That's it.
I love you.
Hey,
No.
don't say that, man.
Just
Listen, I love you, bro. I love you, bro. I love you, bro. You hear me, bro?
All you gotta do
Hey,
is
relax,
your
man.
hand. Keep talking.
Do what you're supposed to do, bro.
Keep giving
You
the
hear
hand
me,
sign.
bro?
show us your hand.
Hey,
Do what you're supposed to do,
Show us
E.
your hand.
Don't do no dumb life, bro. Don't do that, bro. It's not worth it, bro.
It is not worth it.
It's not worth
Show
it,
us
Hey,
bro.
stop
your
that.
hand. Just come up.
No.
hey,
Stop telling me that.
we just want to see your hands with nothing in it.
Hey,
I
stop
don't
on that
know.
road.
Traffic.
Kill me. Kill me right now. Get out of here.
Relax, man.
I swear to God, hey, if anybody.
You don't want to, man.
Hey, we don't want to shoot you. Slowly bring up your hand with nothing in it. Hey,
No.
Listen
I
to-
love you. No. You.
listen to me. I promise you, you're not going to get hurt if you just listen to me.
On the center console.
If you raise your hand slowly with nothing in it, you will not get hurt.
No.
I promise you, if you raise your hand with nothing in it, you will not get hurt.
It's not a good situation to put yourself in, man.
We don't want to hurt you.
No.
It's not serious, man.
No.
It's not.
I said no, bro.
It's not that serious.
I said no.
Just
Bro,
do
I
it,
love you,
man.
bro. I love you, bro. You know that?
Put this peacefully
I got-
behind us. Put this peacefully
Hey,
behind
they
us.
say the way to do things, man.
What?
2417 still reaching under
We're trying to
seat,
give you a
refusing
peaceful,
to
easy-
remove his hands from under the seat.
Peaceful, easy option to get out of this.
Bro, I love you too, bro.
But you don't have to do
All
this,
you have to do
man.
is slowly raise your hand, man. Slowly raise your hand.
I love you, bro.
Slowly raise your hand and this is over with.
I love
That's all you
bro.
gotta do.
I can't do it.
Hey,
I can't do that.
All you gotta do.
No, I can't do that.
We're giving you the option. Slowly raise your hand.
You know that, bro. You know that,
Do
bro.
not have to do this.
You
for 94, he's saying multiple times to kill him, just kill him. He's still got his hand under the seat.
No, baby.
Just come out peacefully.
Hey,
Man, you got a loved one on the phone, bro.
hey, we don't want to hurt you, man. We do not want to hurt you.
We don't want to hurt you, bro. No one wants to hurt you.
Hey,
We
just
all want to go
take
home.
it down a notch. Just slowly raise your hand. We don't want to hurt you, man. I promise you, we do not want to hurt you.
Bro, y'all gonna hurt me either way.
No, we're not.
Black
No, we're
male,
not.
bro.
No, hey, I promise you.
Either way it go.
Hey, your boy in the driver's seat is already safely in the car and it's over.
Listen, bro. Hey, listen. Can I talk to my brother right there, please?
He's in the car, man.
That's all I'm asking. Can I talk to him?
leaving right here.
Can I talk to him?
No one's
No.
leaving right
Can
here.
I talk to my brother?
When you
He's
get
in a
out of the
police car, man.
When you get out of the
It's
car,
already over
please
for him.
surrender. We'll
It's
let
all
the
it's all
law
good.
there peacefully.
It's all
Bro,
safe.
no.
If you want to
Y'all
talk,
trying to tell me what the to do? See, this is what I'm talking about, bro.
It is what it is, man.
he's
What you
hollering.
mean it is what it is?
Point, man. You ain't gonna make
Bro,
it
I just want to talk to my brother. I just want to say something. You can have me handcuffed.
Sorry, you cannot.
Can you put him? He don't even have to come to me. I just want to.
We can handcuff you, talk to him if you
Hey,
want to win.
hey, listen to you.
I want my brother to hear me, bro.
Hey,
I want my brother to hear me.
I promise you, you'll get to
I
talk
want
to
my brother to hear me.
We'll hear you when you come
Bro, I want my brother to hit me, bro.
We'll hear you when you come
Bro, I
out.
want my brother to hit me.
I promise you.
180, park your car and
Hey,
get out.
I promise you, you'll get to talk to him if you slowly lift your hands up.
I want to talk to him now.
He's hollering right now for you to get out of the car and cooperate.
No! I love my brother, bro.
Hey, let me see your hands.
Slowly come out.
Tell him what I said.
He's saying please right now.
Tell him what
Bro,
I said.
we don't want to hurt
No
you,
one
man.
wants to hurt you.
Tell him I said I love him.
Just sit there. Just sit tight, man.
Just come out peacefully.
Bro,
Hey,
can you listen
just
to me,
slowly
bro?
raise your hand up, bro. That's it.
Listen to me. Tell my
Listen
brother
to
I love
us,
him.
man.
Hey, E.
We want
Bro,
you to come
when
out
all this is
peacefully.
over with, tell my mother I love her, bro. I swear to God, I've been loved her.
Hey, you're gonna be able to.
Tell my little sister I love her.
Hey, you're gonna be able to.
Little brother, I love him, bro.
You're gonna be able to tell him yourself.
Tell him, bro.
You're gonna be able to tell him
Please,
yourself.
No, please, E.
2416 suspect is still pleading for
Hey, you're gonna be able to tell him yourself. Just slowly. I'm telling you, just slowly raise your hand with nothing in it, and you're gonna get to talk to him.
No.
Is this your brother in the back seat?
I'm not getting out of
Is this
shit,
your
so stop
brother in the
asking.
back seat?
Who's this in the back seat, man? Who's this in the back seat to you?
Let me see your hand, bro.
No.
Hey, we ain't playing with you. Let me see your hand.
My brother. This is my brother. What you mean?
You're putting him in a compromising position because of your actions right
Why are
now.
you going to put him in
Bro,
danger,
back
bro?
up.
All you got to do is slowly lift your hand up.
Lift your hand up.
We're giving you a lawful order to
Back
place your
up.
hand in the air.
I'm not backing
We're not
up.
going anywhere.
Back up.
Come out of the car. Come out of the car.
Back up. Get this traffic out of here. No, bro.
I need somebody on the other side of Vista. San Juan to Vista.
Bro, do
Hey,
not shoot
Just
my
hang out,
brother.
man.
We're not shooting any. We don't want to shoot anybody, man.
Do not shoot my brother.
Put your hand in the air and this can be over.
No.
You're putting your brother at risk right now because
No,
you're
I'm
not
not.
listening.
No, I'm not.
Just
I don't have to shoot my brother.
And exit the vehicle with your
No.
hands up.
We can't let him.
Let me see your hand, bro. Let me see your hands with nothing in it.
Hey, no.
Yes, come on, man.
Hello. No.
Tell him to come out of the car
Make sure
peacefully.
you're going that way.
You won't have any issues.
No.
Come out of the
No.
car peacefully.
Hey, get on the radio and tell him to back that car up.
No.
Back what car?
Right there on Vista.
Traffic on both sides of Vista.
No.
Out of my area.
No.
710.
They don't give a
7.
about
Go
me,
ahead and
bro.
send us 2 more units. We need 2 more units.
They're gonna see me under
We
the
got a
jail.
barricaded suspect.
Back up!
With the hostage. We have somebody in the car.
There's a passenger in the car too.
He won't let him out.
He won't let him
Back
out because he
up.
won't take his hand up.
Back up! No.
Hey, we're not going anywhere, man.
Going anywhere.
Hey, we want this to end peacefully.
Bro, I know.
Hey, we don't want to. We do not want to hurt you.
Slowly show I will.
Come out of the
Hey,
car.
hey, everybody, stop talking real quick. Hey, slowly lift up your hand with nothing in it. I promise you, we are not going to hurt you if you slowly lift up your hand with nothing in it. I promise you. You'll be talking to your brother in 3 minutes after we get you out of the car. I promise you that.
What you saying right now, bro?
Hey, I'm saying I want to see your hands with no weapon in it. I don't want to see you get hurt.
And then what you saying if it is a weapon in it?
Bro, that's not going to happen because you're going to
What
leave
you
it on the
saying
ground.
If it is a weapon.
Come out with nothing.
Hey, we don't want to hurt you, bro, is what I'm
What are
saying.
you saying if it is a weapon?
What I'm saying is I don't want to hurt you.
Bro, just come out with nothing in your hand. Everything else can be worked through.
That's it?
It's not that big of a deal, man.
That's it? That's
That's
all,
how
huh?
easy it is, man. That's it.
That's all, huh?
Everything else can
We're
be
just
And
trying to-
everything gonna be over with, huh?
We're trying to keep everybody safe, man.
Everything gonna be over with?
And you get to see your loved ones, man.
Huh?
And they get to see you.
I get to see my loved ones?
Yes.
Bros, it's
Come out with nothing we don't
I
want
get to
you
see
to.
my loved ones, right?
Just come out with nothing in your hand.
I get to see my loved ones?
Yes.
I do?
Everything can be worked through.
I do?
Yes.
Tell me why I don't believe y'all.
Everything can be worked through.
hey, we don't want to hurt you, man. I don't know why you don't understand that. We do not want to hurt you.
Yeah.
I swear to God.
No, I don't give a about you swearing to God.
Come on out, man.
Bro, you think I give a bro?
Come on out, man. With your hands
Bro,
up.
listen.
Come out with
Listen,
your hands
bro.
up.
Please,
Come out
listen.
peacefully with
Listen
your
to me.
hands in the air.
Listen to me, please.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Listen to me.
Yeah, I'm watching them.
Listen to me, bro.
Come out peacefully with your
Listen,
hands
little brother. I
Hey.
love you, bro. I swear, bro. I told you this a lot, bro. I love you, though, for real.
Come out peacefully with your hands in the air.
Hey, we don't want to hurt you, man. Slowly lift your hand out with no weapon in it.
Just
That's
sit
it.
back so we can
I
see.
promise you. I promise you, if you have no weapon in your hand, just slowly lift up your hand. All right, we'll get you out the car, put you in handcuffs. We'll let you talk to your brother, and we'll let you talk to your family. All right? That's it.
You have his word.
You have my word, man. I'm here for you. I do not want to hurt you. My partners don't want to hurt you. I promise that. I promise we don't want to hurt you. All right?
I'm gonna read about Cass.
Hey, man. Just slowly lift up your hand with nothing in it. All right? I promise you we'll slowly take you out the car.
Oh, bro, they won't let me move, bro. They got restrained.
We want you to move. Show us your hand.
No, I'm not showing you my.
Nothing in it. Slowly come out of the car.
Just hang tight, man.
That's K9 unit.
Don't shoot my brother, please.
Hey, we don't want to shoot anyone.
Do nothing, bro.
Okay, 11. We're coming up with fire cam on
Why are
now.
you putting him in this position, man? You're putting him in this position.
You working truck to block this, be perfect.
Your actions.
No!
Your
Hey.
actions.
Ready to shoot me, ain't you?
No, I don't want to shoot you.
You don't want to hurt
I do not want to hurt you.
Yes, y'all do.
Yep.
I got you.
Watch the crossfire.
No. I'm on Cassie.
This, Cass.
I don't know. I don't know. I just see a bunch of lights in my fucking face.
Hey, your brother in the car.
Hey, your brother is trying to talk to you.
Your brother just said, show him your hands, man. Your brother just said, show him your hands.
Hey, can you roll down that window so he can scream that so he can hear it?
No, don't touch me. Don't
Hey,
touch
crossfire.
shit. No.
Are the north side covered now?
Just come out. Don't come out me, bro.
Hey, your brother's screaming for you to listen and come back and talk to him.
Detroit 46.
That's all he wants you to do.
Hey, just let me see your hands, bro. That's it.
Why?
Because we want you to peacefully
Bro, because I don't want to hurt you, man. I don't want to hurt you. None of these officers out here want to hurt you.
Why y'all couldn't just let us go?
What do you mean, man?
Why y'all couldn't let us go?
All we had to do is finish our traffic stop, and we could, man.
Everything can be worked out.
It's just a traffic stop.
Alright, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Do me a favor, bro. Y'all just fall back. Y'all fall back.
No.
Fall back.
Hey, I'm not moving nowhere, bro.
Fall back, bro.
I'm telling you, I'm not moving.
Just back up a little bit, bro.
I'm telling you, I'm not moving
You're not
anywhere.
dictating this situation, man.
Just back up. I'm listening to my auntie. Let me talk to her.
You're not backing up. You're not going to back up.
Listen, auntie, listen to me.
Tell your auntie to me in a minute, my man.
I love you, auntie. Hey, don't touch me.
Put your hand up right now. Put your hand up.
Still. Still. Crawl out of that car. You crawl out of that car and you dog it.
Tell my auntie I love her, bro.
You crawl out on the ground. He's coming.
Come on.
Got him?
No.
Get down. Go.
Yeah. I can't.
Get on the ground. On the ground. Slow as you go.
Crawl back. Crawl backwards. Crawl backwards. Crawl.
Bro, my little brother ain't did nothing.
I got you.
He ain't did
All right.
nothing.
Don't move.
He ain't did nothing.
Hey.
What y'all doing that to him for? You think why y'all doing that to him?
Go away.
I'm telling you.
Please leave me alone. Leave me, please. Leave me, please. Leave me. Leave me.
Hey, Ro.
Leave me. Leave me.
Do we have a unit on the north side of the
Hey,
street right now?
Sarge, get those units on Vista to get out.
We got shots fired. Shots fired.
Okay, everybody hold tight. Hold tight. Everybody keep lethal cover on him. Keep lethal cover. We're in U.S.